Hi, we're going to test our GMB poster version 1.5. Okay, so this is the main journal setting and the main whole process of GMB poster. Okay, Google My Business poster. So here we have a plus feature here. Okay, add campaign through input data. Okay, if we just check that, a button will be appear here for enter input data here. Okay, when you just hit here, you have fields for entering the data. Okay, so you can enter Google email comma separated password, okay, Facebook email comma separated password, Twitter email comma separated password, and a text that you want to post, okay, and image or video name that you want to select it from the folder, okay, input folder. And here you have to put the proxy. Okay, after that you just have to hit the save button. Okay, after entering these things you just have to hit the save button. Okay, the campaign will be saved in the database. And if you want to add through the CSV file, then you just have to uncheck this checkbox and select the CSV file from any you have. Okay, so and just hit the save button. The campaign will be saved. Okay, so this is a new feature in our GMB poster, and after that you just have to select the campaign and hit the start button. Well, so now it's on GMB. Okay, and here it will be select the images and post the text, and after that it will just share it on the Facebook and Twitter.